HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. There is a vent to get all that steam out the bathroom, and there's a little something to keep it cool in here. There's that main return for this area. Got another return in this area. Love it when there's returns and supplies in every room. Keeps everything going real good. And then look, ooh, got a shower pan. Got to test that for leaks. But that's not what we're doing now. We're looking at the HVAC, America's Best Home Inspection. Yeah.